my last video, I would stack my fidgets, or at least try to. So, let's get started. So, I think I'm going to start off with my big poppet. So, like that. Second shot, sorry. And then I'm going to go with my minus poppet. And then I think I'm going to go with my calculator. And then I'm going to go with my keyboard. Fidgets and lead. Subscribe. Enter. And then I'm going to go with my... Okay, this is going to be a really stupid move. I'm going to go with a small one. And then I think I'm going to go with a Santa hat. And then maybe a diamond. It's a diamond move. I'm going to go with the small one again. Oh my gosh, that almost fell. I can't move it. I want to though. I'm going to go with my left. And I'm going to go with my first ever poppet. Yay! You're special. Okay. That's all my big poppets, surprisingly. But I think I have to start on with my poppet bands. I feel like if I just like do this, it would work. Like if I, oh my gosh, I have so many. So if I like go like this, I feel like it would work. So, oh my gosh. And then like that. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, how am I to stack other things? Ah! Oh my gosh, I lost! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna restart. I want to keep this setup, so maybe if I do my poppet bands right now, it wouldn't be super bad because I could just do them lined up. So I'm going to do a couple right then, and I'm going to do my diamond like that, and I'm going to do a couple, so like that, and that, and that. Maybe I can fit a couple more. Okay, yeah, I can fit one more, which means I only have a couple left to do. So I'm going to do them in like layers. And then I'm going to do like a big pop, like a regular size poppet, so I can do my last of my things. Where are they? Oh, here's one. And then I think I have one more. Right? Don't I have one more? I guess I'll follow one. So I guess I'll put another thing. So I guess I'll just put the sand hat. Okay, I'm gonna get a quick shot. Like there's something right there. There's the diamond. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna put my first ever poppet. I feel like things won't be as bad now. So I'm gonna start off with my small. I'm gonna go with my key. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go with my fidget spinner. And then I'm gonna put my simple dimple on top of that. Oh my gosh, that caught itself. Should I go with my other fidget spinner? I think I'm gonna go with my other fidget spinner. Okay, I can put that there, right? I don't know. I'm just scared it will fall. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Lobster, don't fail me. Okay, I'm gonna put my t-shirt on. Oh, I know, I think I have an idea. What if I put it... I'm just so scared. that. It's gonna fall. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna do my other pop-it bracelet. Jeez Louise, how many do I have? This little thingamabobadoo. Okay. Oh my god, I really just want to get this stacked. Oh, my other... I have a lot of duplicates. They're like different colors, so like, does it count? Oh my god. The heart went on. Okay, I can do this. Oh my god. It just fell. Did you? I was like grabbing one and it just fell over like that. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna like keep this though, so like I can like restock everything, right? Okay. Let's try that again. So, oh my gosh. I'm already dropping things. Put that like that. And then, no. Put that. No, not doing that. Why is this so scary? Like that. And then I'm gonna go with maybe my lobster. And then like that. And then I could probably do this. I just don't want this to fall. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's coming up. Okay. Oh my gosh, is this heart gonna fall? Please don't fall, heart. Don't fail me. Don't fail me, heart. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, so lesson learned today. I cannot stack all of these. So I hope you enjoyed me trying my best. And I hope you have an amazing day. So bye.